True Jamaican vibes, Fire Reed. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So you don't know, it's your boy Fire Reed. So you don't know we are launch out care package. Because through the coronavirus, a lot of persons have faced a lot of crisis right now. So we decided to we're gonna reach out to some persons, show them some love and also some care. So I'm in cool Mandeville, Manchester. So keep on watching guys. And always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reed. First I want to thank Master God to make this thing possible. Yes, big up my people them, big up all the donors them, big up. Also I want to thank the team, Mispev Production, also Maurice Kingpin and myself, Fire Reed. So yeah man, so I'm going to big up all the donors them again now. Big up Ivan from New York who donated $100. Lincoln also from New York, $40. Lati Amor, $50. Rosalie, $100 from Florida. And also King Nick and Queen, big up on yourself who donated $50. Big up on yourself, anyone there. May God keep on blessing you. Nice fans them and the donors them. Big up on yourself. One love and one heart. Upward and onward. Each one help one. And also big up John Campbell. Big up yourself and the wife who donated $25. So we're going to see if we can make it possible. So we'll do some shop around. So yes, my people, as you can see, it's a busy day in Mandeville today. Very busy day. But you don't know, we have to go out there for the people, them, show them some love and some care, same way. So no matter what it takes, we're gonna go out there, we're in our team, gonna support all the people that need something. So just keep on watching. So we're gonna see if we can reach on to In-Town Super Safe Supermarket. That's where we get the best deals on our product. So if you wanna shop in Mandeville, you all can come to In-Town Super Safe. So hang on guys. Take a journey with Fire Reed to In-Town Super Safe. One love, one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reed. So yes, some people, as you can see, we get some sardine, cooking oil, some tea bags, some oats, some tissue, some baked bean, some lasco, a lot of more things. So yeah, we just look out for people them. Many more things if we pack out and things. So big up on yourself, all the donors again. Yes, some people I know say Fire Reed. Those family are shop now, In-Town Super Safe. So you want to do. If you don't want to do wholesale product, you can come here. So best place in Mandeville, Manchester. So big up on yourself. They have a nice team working with you. So if you check out that place, I see them there. One love and one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reed.